Hello students, hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to the e-learning classes of Sunrise Global School. This is Asmita Sharma, your maths teacher, and today we are going to continue with chapter number 7, class 8 maths, that is cube and cube root. So we have already discussed and I have given you the introduction of the chapter as what are cubes and how the cube roots works. Now today we are going to start with the question number 1, that is from exercise 7.1. Now the question number 1 is, which of the following are not a perfect cubes? So from question number 1 you are asked that state the given numbers that are not a perfect cube. So you have to find out that out of them how many are cubes and how many are not the perfect cubes. So first of all we'll start with some number first, that is 216. So 216 is the first number with us. So while doing this question we'll use the format and formula for prime factorization. So you have already learnt about what is prime factorization. So we'll use prime factorization over here. So now doing the prime factorization, first of all we'll write 216 over here in the first line. So while dividing 216, we'll first take 2 over here, and while dividing it we'll get 2 1s will be 2 and 0 will be carried to get 16 in the remainder, and while dividing 16 you will get 8, right? So now again going with 2 5s is 10 and 2 4s is 8, correct? Now next again moving with 2. So 2 2s is 4 and 1 will be remaining, so we'll carry 1 over here, and while dividing 14 by 2 we'll get 7 as the answer. So here we get 27. Now this is the odd number, so 2 cannot be continued any further. So we'll divide this number with 3. So while dividing 27 by 3 we'll see that 27 जो है वो 3 के टेबल में 9 times जाता है, correct? So now the answer over here is 9, and again while dividing the same number with 3 we'll get 3 3s are 9. So the 3 is remaining over here, and again dividing 3 we'll get 3 1s are 3. So here while seeing it you can see that how many factors of 216 you have get. It is like 2 into 2 into 2, that is 3 2s, and similarly 3 into 3 into 3. So a pair of 3 2s and a pair of 3 3s, करेक्ट? सो क्यूब में हमें यही देखना होता है कि कोई भी नंबर जो है उसके ग्रुप में 3 नंबर्स आने चाहिए. दैट मीन्स कि अगर 2 है तो यहाँ पे 3 बार 2 होना चाहिए, एंड सिमिलरली अगर 3 है तो 3 times 3 होना चाहिए. तो अगर हम लोग इसका ग्रुप बनाएंगे तो इट विल बी लाइक 2 cube and 3 cube. So we'll put up a cube root sign over here. So while putting cube root sign about 216, so we'll get by removing the cube root sign, जब 216 का cube root निकल जाएगा तो it will be like 2 into 3. So 2 3s is 6, correct? So here कोई भी नंबर रह नहीं गया है, सबका ग्रुप परफेक्टली बन गया. That means this number 216 is a perfect cube. So we'll write it as it is a perfect cube, correct? Now similarly we'll do the next sum. ऐसे ही प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन के साथ हम लोग नेक्स्ट सम को सॉल्व करेंगे. द नेक्स्ट सम इज 128. सो इट इज़ लाइक 128. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट विथ, सो वाइल डिवाइडिंग 128 हम इसको सबसे पहले 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. सो 2 and 12, सो 2 6 is 12 and 2 4 is 8, correct? So the answer you get is 64. Again 64 is also divisible by 2, तो हम फिर से यहाँ 2 लगा देंगे. 2 3s is 6 and 2 2s is 4. So again you got 64 over here. Similarly वापस से जो 32 आया है वो 2 से divisible है. Again we can put it 2 over here. 2 1s is 2, 1 will be remaining, and 2 6 will be 12. So the answer you got is 16. Again 16 is divisible by 2, so again we'll put 2 over here. 2 8s is 16. Moving ahead, 2 के टेबल में 8, so we'll find 2 4s are 8, correct? Now the remainder over here is 4, which is 2 2s are 4. Now the remainder is 2, and again we'll put up 2, 2s are 1, and here the prime factorization ends. So while writing the factors of 1 to 8, you can write it as, how many times 2 we have got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Sorry. So there are 7 2's in it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now we will make the pairs of 3. So जब हम लोग 3 का pair बना रहे हैं तो we got a pair of 3. This is the first pair and here there is a second pair. Now you can see that यहाँ पर एक number रह गया है. This number is 2 which has remained. That means कि जब हम लोग इसको solve करने जाएंगे तो we can make a cube of 2. We can make this cube of 2, but now over here if this number is 2, that means कि ये number जो है perfect cube नहीं बन सकता because इसका कोई cube root नहीं निकलेगा. Understood? So जब भी यहाँ पर कोई number रह जाता है, whether it be 2 or whether it be any other number, that means कि this number is not a perfect square. So we'll write over here as not a perfect square. I'm sorry, it is a perfect cube. So it is not a perfect cube. I hope this much is clear to you. Similarly, you have to solve question number 3, 4 and 5. The next question we'll do in the next class. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home.